just like any other makeup look that I've done, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright guys, so before I do my eyes or whatever, I'm just gonna beat my face real quick, and I just want to show you what foundation I use because it's funny to me. So I use this, the Fit Me, Fit Me Maybelline in the color 355. Okay, and I had that for a long time, and then I have this black opal one and the color Nutmeg, and I got this like at the the drugstore. Just got that drugstore makeup. I also have the Fenty foundation, but it's just too dry for my skin. I only used it like twice, and I was like, yo, it made my skin so dry. Like, I mean, it is a matte, and I guess I wasn't really paying attention. I was just like, oh my god, it's Fenty, let me get it. And then when I got it, I'm like, oh. So I don't know if anybody is the color 420. If anybody's the color 420, let me know. You can have mine. Like, I really don't want it. I don't know what to do. I've been trying to get rid of it for a while, but nobody's like my shade. What is going on? So yeah, I'm just gonna stick to my drugstore makeup because it just works for me. Like, I just never know what kind of look I'm going for, like never. So I'm just gonna wing. I watched a lot of videos on like the tutorial and stuff, but for the most part, I just want to wing it, literally. Okay, but yeah, let's see. I don't know. My sister gave me this for Christmas. It's a liquid eyeshadow. It's cute. It's like a champagne pinkish kind of color, rose gold. So usually people put concealer on their eyes. I'm going to use primer. Where's my stuff? Like, I don't. Let me set my face because I put foundation on and everything. I just want to set my face. I love doing this. Anyway, my mouth. Okay. So yeah, so for the first thing I'm going to use is this eyeshadow primer. I always use it. It's my handy dandy. So now that the eyes are primed, this is the fun part. All right, so I really want to do like a pink eye look. I've always wanted to do one, and I finally got the color. And I know that it stains, whatever. I don't care. That's why I have primer on. I don't know what to do. You know, this is like so fun. You know, I kind of want to do this like mauve color for the transition color or whatever, and then I want to do this purple for like the main color, you know what I'm saying? And then I want to maybe do like yellow like right here. So I don't know, we're just gonna go all out. Let's do it. Okay, let's do the transition color first. So I'm using Mary, and I don't even know how this is gonna look, but we're just gonna use that. We love that. We love that. Hey, we love that. Okay, so ready? Let's do this. We're just gonna pack it on. And I'm gonna go pretty high. I usually stay a little bit lower, but I feel like for this, you gotta go pretty high. Up to the eyebrows. And like I said, I'm kind of winging this. I don't know if I'm gonna do like a halo eye. I don't know if I'm gonna do a cut crease. I don't know if I'm gonna do, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Do your thing, girl, mommy, make it real. You can pop. Oh, I like this color. I like it, I like it. I'm basically just putting that all over the eye, like all over the top of the eye. So now we're gonna go in with this, which is Shook, I'm pretty sure, or Skip. I think it's Skip, yeah. So we're just gonna tap it. Okay, we're gonna just pack it on the top of the lid. Okay, like that. Hopefully I don't get a lot of fallout, but girl. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, but yeah, it's looking pretty cool. And we're just gonna bring it up. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, up. Never say never. So as you can see, it's like this, and then it's brought up a little bit, and that's pretty much how you do a cut crease. Like, to simplify a cut crease, you basically are carving out like eyeliner. Like, you know how you go like this and then you make a wing? You do that on the top, you go like this and you make a wing. That's pretty much how I do it.
Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through.
Oh hey, yeah, this is a voiceover now because obviously I don't know how to explain things, and I kept messing up on things, and that's just my life. So pretty much right now I'm putting the purple at the bottom just to give some more definition, and then later on in the video you're gonna see that I put more pink on the top because I feel like, where's the pink? Like, this is a pink look, where's the pink? So I had to add some more pink at the top, and then I just kept blending it, putting more pink, blending it, just making it look as good as I could try to make it look. Okay, but yeah, continue watching me struggle. So now that that's there, we're going to put more concealer, and we're gonna cut the crease. Clean it up, cut the crease, make it look better. Because right now it looks a little crazy. I'm not gonna hold you. So now we're gonna pack on this color on top of the concealer, just to like set it. LOL, so I'm back. I just figured I'd talk the rest of the video because the video would have been super long if I explained this part. Pretty much what I'm doing is I'm putting the glitter eyeshadow. It's not really glitter, it's more like a sheer. I'm putting that on the inner corner of my eyes and like the middle. And then as you can see right here, I'm putting the yellow underneath my eye. And at first it wasn't really showing up, but then later in the video I sprayed the brush with water, and then the yellow like jumped out at me. Like, it said hi, it said hello. And I think that was pretty much it. All right. All right, so I'm gonna use the Fenty lip gloss. I was trying to find something else, but couldn't find it, so we just do a little bit of it, just like in the middle. All right, guys, so this is the completed look. Like, strawberry lemonade vibes, like summer vibes, even though it's winter vibes. Like, I really like the pink and the yellow. The yellow was very hard to show up. I think A is because I didn't prime it, and B because I don't know. I didn't prime it, but once I wet it, it came out a little bit better. Comment some other ideas you want me to do, and again, if y'all want this, let me know. 420 is just not for me. I don't know, but yeah. All right, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.